everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. You will be needing for this course, it's co-stars. Okay, these are the MDF co-star which I am going to work with. Okay, and the second thing is this is rich rough color of alcohol ink, and this is the blending solution. Okay, so these two things also you will be needing, and this is the deco transfer sheet from Little Birdie. Okay, the store name is Exhibit G. So this is one of the most wonderful thing I have, and I'm going to tell you that how work with the alcohol and with deco transfer sheets. Okay, so you are going to learn lots and lots of tricks and techniques in this particular course. Okay, and I hope you are going to enjoy a lot in this course. And the next thing, this is the deco varnish. Also this is the gloss one, you can take the matte one also, and this varnish is very good, and after drying it gives you the glossy finish. Okay, so the two brush, I'll be using for my varnish, and the second one I'm using for my coloring. Okay, so these two brushes are very, I always use a synthetic brush, and it is very good for the working. Caesar, and the next thing, gesso, because this is the MDF, so I am going to work with the gesso. If you want, you can use the good quality chalk paint as well. Okay, if you have chalk paint, you can always go with the chalk paint as well. Okay, so the next thing what you will be needing. Okay, so the gesso you can take, otherwise you can choose. So this is my heat gun for spreading our alcohol ink. Okay, so if you have, like, you can work with the straw as well, but with the straw I face some of the issue because color does not blend very well. Okay, so I use you can use the hair dryer as well. Okay, so basically just to spread the our alcohol color, okay, with blending solution. So I am using my heat gun. Okay, because it gives a very nice look. Okay, so okay, now I'm going to take my gesso and apply it. Okay, like this way you can paint. One coat is enough. If you are not getting the proper result, you can always go with the second coat. Okay, there is no kind of things that you must be use only the one coat or this. You can always go with the second coat as well. And please make sure you have to cover the edges as well. Okay, and because people always people are not very much worried about the edges, but I am really telling you, then if you are a crafter and if you would really want to make a good thing, good because you are investing too much in things, so you must be knowing all the things. Okay, so like this way you can always color. I hope I am clear. So this way you can color your all posters and the stand as well. Okay, so I hope this session is clear, and the same way you can color all the things, and in my next session I will tell you the alcoholing technique. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this session. Thanks for watching.